Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together.
Water goes in the reservoir. Make sure you don't overfill it. Okay, water's coming towards you. Got a lot of air bubbles. You want to blow it towards me? You get anything? There's an air bubble. You gotta blow it back towards me. Keep going. Alright, try that. Let me pour some more. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you.
Well, you're letting air get into lines, Clay. You have to keep running it every time you do that. You're going to run out of water.
I'm overfilling
You don't
it.
understand what's going on. Every time that air bubble comes in, we got to run all the water out ahead of it.
There's no air bubble.
There is right there where your light's shining on.
No?
No?
No air bubble.
Okay. I haven't got it here yet. Getting old water.
It's almost to you.
It's by my jacket.
We used a block and a 4x and probably put more water in. What?
How's your reservoir? Does it need more water?
No, it's got plenty. I'm gonna put more in though. You good yet?
Yeah, we're probably another 10 feet.
So what you want to do is you want to look for air bubbles in the line. You don't want to get on the line. On the line will actually mess up your measurement on the phone. Make sure you don't have any leaks on the reservoir anywhere. We were having a leak originally right around the brass there, but not anymore. You're pulling a bunch of air bubbles. You might want to blow it back towards me. A little bit more. Alright, there you go.
That's it.
Alright, we top this thing up. Okay. So are we above or below?
I got an air bubble I gotta get off. We need to go down about an inch.
On my side?
Yeah, you dump some water out if you can. I don't know if you have that much room. No, you don't.
I do.
Need inch from the top of the frame. And 1/4 inch from the top of the frame. That is the top of the frame. All right, now we do the crawling around and checking where we're at, and I'll come to where you're at.
All right, just be careful because we're right at the top of this brass fitting.
Yeah, I can't let it spill too much.
Yeah, that light way over to your left, if you can bring that over here, you can just have this on the on this reservoir. He's way over there. Okay, hear weird noises down here. Alright, what's up there? Alright, I'm gonna come to you. And I'm gonna leave the camera here, right?
Reservoir stays here.
Camera stays here. To the top of the frame.
Top of the frame.
Oh, water.
Where'd it go?
Right there, where my light's at.
Head shoulders push up the insulation, it falls out.
Alright, where do you want me to go first? All the way to the far end?
You can.
Do we get that way then?
Just check it as you go down through the middle of both sides.
I'll probably run through here so that way it doesn't pollute. I'm just gonna keep everything away from you.
Really did a good job on this.
Is it possible that the floor just sunk in?
No. They probably did it just to close the floor and close the roof up. You know,
That's what you said. You wanna hand me that?
Yeah, just a second. We're pretty close right there. Put your finger on top. No, we're not either,
Well,
actually.
it'll go up.
They're showing almost too high. We are too high. A 1/2 inch too high.
Right here?
Yeah.
Maybe the middle's high and that's why it feels weird.
No, actually the middle's low down that way. I think you'll find it. So we may be too high here. They did it and then they may be able to stick a 2x in there. Being legal.
Now we did lose some water.
Not much. Where'd you lose it?
Where did we lose it at?
That fell over there.
Right there.
Yeah, that wasn't much at all. You don't not,
And
not
I don't
using
know
your,
how long your phone will last. Last I checked, I had like 20%.
you want me to turn it off?
It's coming right now.
Okay, let's turn it off.
You're just
Turn it off. I was like, see it turned off. Can't tell how to turn it off.
many spider webs in here.
Huh?
So not many spider webs in here.
No.
A lot of spiders.
20%. That gummit, man. Every time I
Forget to charge it.
No, I just don't understand. Every time I get ready to do a film, it's dead.
I think you forgot to charge it.
Well, I charged it and I put it in the truck, but it was probably on.
Well, it's always on.
You turn it off, it shouldn't be on.
Battery was still drained. I'm gonna go as far as I can.
All right.
Got more line or no?
Yes, you have more. I'm holding on to it so that you don't have a problem. Speak very, very loudly. Speak very, very loudly. Okay, what is high, the water level or the frame? How much higher is the frame? A full what? To the water level, to the bottom of the frame. So that's way low. The frame needs to go up to get to it. So the water level is below the frame. Oh. All right, what is the other side? Same thing? You have about 10 feet more of slack if you need it. Yeah. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.